This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming access. Sign into your account with the device currently used for two-step verification so you can authorize changes. Once signed in, locate Security or Login Settings. This is where you manage devices. Make sure you have backup codes, a recovery email, or a trusted phone nearby because you'll need them if a prompt fails. Begin by opening the Authenticator app or receiving a verification SMS to prove ownership. This authorizes the change process and prevents lockouts. Next, add the new device inside the same security two-step verification area. Choose your method, an Authenticator app or SMS, and follow prompts to add a device. Scan the QR code with the Authenticator app on the new phone or enter the provided setup key manually. This links the account. After setup, generate a verification code on the new device and enter it back on the website to confirm. Keep the old device active until verification succeeds, so you can revert if anything fails. Finally, once the new device is verified, remove the old device from your two-step device list to avoid orphaned access. Update and download fresh backup codes, and confirm recovery phone numbers and emails are current. This prevents future lockouts. Make sure apps and system clocks are synced because time drift breaks code validation. If you get locked out, use saved backup codes or initiate the account recovery flow right away. Contact support only after exhausting recovery options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.